never saw been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curve, climbing the hill. Someday the mountain might get them, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how.
You got narrated.
Hey Joe,
Yes.
what happened to your truck?
We went down the wrong driveway. I was looking for my old house. I couldn't find it. I guess they must have tore it down.
That's sad.
We're gonna go back and look for it.
Yeah, turn here, we'll see what that is.
Oh, pull in the exit.
Alright.
This isn't it, is it?
I think it is.
Oh, this is the new one that they built.
It's back behind there.
Yeah, that's right, because you come out around the back of the cemented driveway. That's right.
Oh, it looks like they might be closed.
I think so, maybe.
What's that noise? Hey, you forgot me.
Don't you wish you were here?
Yeah, Keith, don't you wish you were here? Don't you miss having this much fun?
Oh,
How was it?
I know, it was great. You gotta try it. Hey, Mark, what are you gonna do?
I'll drive this here truck.
All right. Here goes Mark's definition of hillbilly four-wheel driving. Notice he hit his signal.
Chevrolet.
I think you just pull up and they change your oil.
Yeah, fill it up and check the oil.
That's credit too, no, not cash, credit card.
Credit card.
Credit card, yeah.
Charge it.
Yeah, thanks.
Four-wheel drive Subaru. Four-wheel drive Subaru GL. Driven by Don Martin.
Who's this?
Son, do you have your license?
You have your license, son?
Well, Keith, Don thinks with the old 5. So we're gonna take him off road a little bit. We brought a chain, but Joe doesn't think he'll need the chain.
Don's gonna attempt to follow us.
Come on, Don, you can do it. He's flying! I can't see him.
Oh, well, let me turn around. We're gonna whip it around this way.
Hold on so I can get out. my gosh, we gotta see. I didn't get any of that on film.
I was afraid he was gonna stop. I was afraid I couldn't see a thing. The f***ing floorboard came up to the hole.
Follow me up here. Come through here.
Right.
I can't hold the camera straight. Coming through. Oh,
I need to go clean up, man. I got a dinner.
Boy, you got real excited.
You had trees. Let's go get a picture where you went through. Good pants.
Those were the Don Martin pants.
Those are the pants that you went through, Mark.
Alright, you guys wanna head back or what? You guys stay pretty cool.
We'll go to my house. Oh, yeah, Don happened to lose a little bit of control here as he was zooming out.
I bet she's gonna get stuck trying to get out.
No way. We'll run out of gas. Don hurdled these trees to my left. He went flying over, as you will see in the movie. Keith, it's too bad you weren't here. I'd like to say hi to Karen.
Oh,
Kate.
quit with that.
Buckle up.
That's right, buckle up. It's the law on the road.
How you doing? Come on, how? Oh yeah. What's going on? How are you? From like the dance system? Oh, I said hi. Just put him on the phone real quick. I just have to ask him a quick question. Thanks. Alright, I just want to know, so it's right over the top of the hill?
Wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.